Hi everyone, this is Oscar here again from Liwaliw Travels. Guys, mag-share ako ngayon about our new product that we offer sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan sa iba't ibang panig ng dako dito sa Canada, no? Whether you are from Toronto, Quebec, Manitoba, or any other provinces dyan sa Canada or maging mga taga-US man kayo, no? So anyway, we are Liwaliw Travel Network. We provide online travel agency, and doon sa mga nakakakilala na po sa atin, we are a online travel agency that provide all kinds of travel packages, no? And so far, we partner with JNS Logistic Transportation Tours. So we partner with them na para makapag-provide kami ng totally full packages dito sa mga gustong magpunta ng Calgary, para sa mga travelers, no, kung saan man kayo galing or saan man kayong dako. If you really wanted to visit the Rockies, the Alberta Rockies, and even in Vancouver area, we provide a transportation package tour as well. We have different sizes bus, no, from 15-seater, 17-seater, and 56-seater big buses to accommodate large group, no, especially sa mga Filipino or kahit sa mga ibang lahi, no, nag-offer po tayo, partner with JNS Logistic Transportation Bus Limited, no. So we partner with them. So doon sa mga nagbabalak na magpunta dito sa Alberta, we really encourage you to check our website, liwaliwtravelnetwork.com. And not only that, no, we have already an updated portal system kung saan pwede na po kayong mag-book directly sa aming website, no. So far, we are one of the affordable, cheapest airfare you can find online, no. So far, we beat some of the most prestigious leading online travel agencies. So don't forget to visit our website po para makita nyo po yung mga ino-offer namin, no. Kumpleto po tayo. We are affiliate with big companies like Agoda, Expedia, Trip.com, as well as Viator. So we almost kind of like a big part supplier affiliates, no, sa kanilang mga products na ino-offer. And as I've mentioned, you guys can literally book with us online, no, if you really wanted to look for let's say airfare ticket or travel packages. You can book on our website directly, www.liwaliwtravelnetwork.com. And if you want full packages like this one, na you wanted to go from, let's say, other countries, sa mga kapwa natin Pilipino, sa mga kababayan natin, we invite you, we encourage you to visit our website para if you want to have a customized package from airlines to hotel accommodation, as well as the transportation dito sa Rockies, no, sa buong part ng Rockies gaya ng Banff, Moraine Lake, Jasper, Yoho, lahat ng magagandang lugar dito sa Alberta, Rockies, and Vancouver. Pwede naming ma-customize yung inyong travel packages. Just contact us at liwaliwtravelnetwork.com on our website. Check us out sa mga kababayan natin, especially mga Filipino sa lahat ng parte dito sa buong Canada or sa US, no, na nagbabalak na magbisita rito. Don't forget to check us out. Anyway, this is Oscar again from Liwaliw Travel Network. Have a great day, guys. Bye. Ciao.